It is raining hard right now. And there's my murky pool. We have it covered up, that's why it's dirty. But we'll have it opened next summer or spring. As you can see, it's raining pretty heavily. I just made it out. You can probably barely see it. The window's foggy. But in there is my Crown Victoria police interceptor. There's some big trucks making a run for it in the rain. I don't know if that's thunder or... No, that is not thunder. I hope it's not, because if it's thunder, it's getting really close by. But, alrighty. And my dog Smokey. Say hi, Smoker. Well, the rain is clearing up. I'm not going to make any videos on my car today again. So, bye-bye.